Welcome to Cabo San Lucas, a breathtaking paradise where the desert meets the sea. This iconic destination at the southern tip of Mexico's Baja California peninsula is home to some of the most spectacular natural wonders. The Arch of Cabo San Lucas is a majestic rock formation that rises from the turquoise waters where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez. Over thousands of years, wind and waves have sculpted this dramatic archway, making it one of the most photographed landmarks in all of Mexico. Just beyond the arch lies Playa del Amor, Lover's Beach, a secluded stretch of golden sand nestled between towering rock formations. With calm, crystal-clear waters, it's the perfect spot to swim, snorkel, or simply bask in the beauty of this hidden oasis. But just a short walk away, on the opposite side, is Divorcio Beach, a stark contrast to its peaceful neighbor. Here, the roaring waves of the Pacific Ocean crash against the shore, making it dangerous for swimming but mesmerizing to witness. A fitting name for a beach where tranquility and turbulence exist just steps apart. For those seeking a luxurious escape, the nearby Playa Grande Resort offers stunning oceanfront views, world-class amenities, and the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're lounging by the infinity pools, exploring the vibrant nightlife of downtown Cabo, or setting sail on a sunset cruise, there's something for everyone in this coastal paradise. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the majestic humpback whales that migrate through these waters from December to April. A true bucket list experience. As the sun rises above the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues, Cabo San Lucas reminds us why it's a destination like no other, where adventure, romance, and natural beauty come together in perfect harmony. Whether you're here for the breathtaking landscapes, the vibrant marine life, or simply the magic of the Baja coast, one thing is certain: Cabo San Lucas will leave you spellbound.